So you are given the complete project solution. Kindly check your emails. Okay, please go through the solution carefully. And your next step for your resume, if you are planning for your resume, you may do the Azure Data Engineering. Okay, the Azure Data Engineer. It is actually more into data warehousing activities. That is one option as your next step. You may do it. Or in case you are looking for core data analyst job role, if you are looking for core data analyst job role, then you may do Python analytics additionally. Or if in case you are looking for something from non-Microsoft cloud, then you may do Snowflake. Okay, so choice is yours. Here it is. You wanted to go for additional experience profile with Power BI, then data engineer is the best option. This is for data analysts. For data analysts and for business analysts, and also for data scientists. For them, Python analytics program. And same way, in case go for Snowflake if it is for Snowflake developers, and for Snowflake engineers, Snowflake developers and Snowflake engineers. Next, this is for the Azure data engineers and for BI developers and for ETL engineers, ETL dev and ETL admins. This is more into big data operations, data warehouse, ETL. So data engineer has ETL concepts, big data concepts, and data warehouse concepts. Snowflake is more into data warehouse. For ETL, you have other items in Snowflake, like DBT tool, etc. DBT, Medallion, or use data factory within data engineering. Python is more into analytics. So choice is yours. Either you step into Snowflake or data engineer or Python analytics, any of these as per your resume plan. Plan your resume accordingly. Do let me know for doubts, clarifications, if any.